Let's start off with hunk number 2. Ay, sabihin nyo na rin kung ano hunk number nyo kasi hindi pala kayo magkakasunod. Alright.
Hello. Merry Christmas, everyone! And advance Happy New Year. By the way, a young soul right before you all, ripened from the farthest city of Negros Occidental. And I'm a fashion designer and also working as a business marketing at Bar Street of Manila. So yung bars dyan na po sa Bars Bake Shop and Restaurant po. So this is actually my second time around sa pag-join sa pageant. Kasi I joined Man of the Philippines and I represent Negros Occidental. So honestly, I'm not into pageant. So I joined because I want to pursue my dream as well as a model. So it really taught me that I should always go further without fear of challenges, without any single thought of failure, without any feeling of surrender. So for everyone, please follow my songmate, Joshua A. Salibio, and also visit my site, Just Fashion Collection. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Yes, hunk number 2, Joshua Salibio. And Just for Fashion, is that right? Just for Fashion. You can also visit the place na yan. Mukhang meron na tayong pwedeng future host in the future. Mukhang ipapalit sa akin na mga eloquent and very good looking and of course galing magsalita. Let's call it their next hunk.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Yes!
I'm Ralph Christian Engel. Please do support me on my journey on Viva Max. Please follow my social media account, Ralph Christian Engel.
Very good, anak!
Alright, as Ralph Christian Engel of course is doing Viva Mass right now. Kindly support the platform and his career as well. Good luck, brother. And syempre, our next hunk would be
Hello guys, my name is Christian Anderson and I'm number 6. Gusto ko na i-promote yung social media ko, which is Christian Anderson sa Facebook. Then sa TikTok is YO_NAIT. Then sa Instagram naman po is same lang as YO_NAIT. Yun lang po.
alright, now is Anderson, Christian Anderson, that's YO_NAIT. Alright, so that's YO_NAIT for his TikTok and other social media. That's TikTok and Facebook.
Telegram!
TikTok and IG, there you go. Alright, I'm pretty much sure tataas ang followers mo after this event. And now let's move on to our next song.
Good,
Good evening everyone. My name is Kenneth Avendaño. Follow niyo po ako sa Facebook ko, Ken Avendaño.
Thank you so much, Ken. You can follow him on the social media page as Ken Avendaño. Good luck to you, brother. Now let's move on to our next song.
Good evening everyone. Pa-follow na lang po sa Facebook ko, Ian Esmeralda.
Some of our hunks are quite shy pa, ayan, as of the moment. But I'm pretty much sure as you guys join more and more pageants, mas mahasa pa kayo ng mahasa. Kindly follow, support our hunk number 10, that's Ian Esmeralda. Good luck to you, brother. Now let's move on to our next hunk.
Good evening everyone, I'm John Christopher Lagos. First of all, I'd like to thank my manager, sitting right there, Ben Escalante, and our management, BM Beauty. Please follow. Thank you.
Number 8!
Alright, good luck to you, hunk number 9. Thank you so much to his manager, of course, and kindly support, of course, their management Beyond Beauty. Good luck to you as well, hunk number 9. Now let's move on to our next hunk.
Number 8!
Good day everyone. Alvin Joshua Copon, 21 years old. Currently third year college from Bachelor of Science of Hospitality Management. And kindly please follow my social media account on Facebook, Agent Copon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, brother. But ano din yung social media account mo? AJ Copon. Alright. Copon, that's K-C-O-P-O-N. Alright, I do apologize. F-O. Kaya pala, tinignan mo kanina na pronounce yung surname mo. My sincere apologies. Alright, so kindly follow this AJ Copon. Good luck to you as well, brother. And now let's move on to our next song.
Hi everyone, my name is Martin Natividad Morales, 23, from Tacloban City. Thank you.
Hala!
Alright, Marty, good luck to you. Would you like to promote any social media pages? Alright, he's very private. Let's support that. But of course, we would love to support you in any of your endeavors. And of course, here at Manila's Finest Hunk as well. Now, let's move on to our last two hunks. Hunk number 3, take it away.
Hello everyone. My name is Joshua Jimenez, 5'11", molding like who manage a farm. I'm a farm boy and thank you.
Thank you so much, Joshua. Taga-farm ka. Lumaki ka sa farm, ha? Farm boy. Alright. Nagkita kayo ni Aling Tibira lang. Kidding aside, of course, last but not the least, hump number 1.
My name is Martin Romero from Rosario, Cavite.
Alright, ayun now, short and sweet as well. Or are you a farm boy as well? Or any? Alright. It's very private. Let's support him. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to all 10 of our humps for this evening's pageant.